Hey creative people, this is Ananya and welcome back to the another very special video of this Valentine's week. So the month of love is going on and we all are surrounded with different kind of celebrations, birthdays, wedding seasons and of course the Valentine's Day. So we need to redecorate ourselves as well as our room to spread the love and happiness everywhere. And for that reason, I am here with some very affordable and beautiful DIY room decor ideas. These decorations can be used in any corner of your house and these are extremely beautiful. This elegant decoration is so beautiful that you cannot even recognize whether it is handmade or purchased from the market. This is the simplest one and it can be made in just few minutes. Some mirrors, pearls and decorative threads are enough to make this elegant decoration. These decorations can be used to decorate the room or door or even it can be used to decorate the dressing table. This will surely add a sophisticated look to your entire house. The second decoration is very colorful and it is all about the floral decoration. So we need some foam sheets and we need to draw some colorful flowers and some mirrors to decorate it even more. This looks so pretty and this gives a very colorful effect to our entire room. This is so amazingly beautiful that it will surely give that girly feeling to your entire house. This is the most beautiful decoration which is made with full of red roses. For the month of love, this is the perfect decoration. This will surely add romance to your entire room. So try all these decorations in your home and let me know what you think about these decorations. And if you like this affordable decorations, please give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to share this with your families and friends. Also, if you are new to my channel and if you like my video tutorials, then don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell button to get the instant notifications. It is absolutely free. And those who have already subscribed me, thanks a lot for supporting me. I upload some very interesting stuff in my social handling, so you can follow me there also. I will come again with a brand new episode. Till then, take care, stay tuned with my channel, spread love and happiness everywhere, and as I always say, be creative.